just caught that on camera. The tree branch just fell. You saw that? It was like kaboom. Let's try to catch another one on camera. Again. It was crazy that branch fell. They're cutting this whole tree down because it might fall on that house over there. Here comes another one. Woohoo! Caught another branch on camera falling. Oh, here comes another one! Woohoo! I just caught that on camera again. You saw that? Yeah. It cracked and snapped like kabam! It fell. Caught that on camera again. That was cool. Very cool one. Hope I get a lot of subscribers in my video since I'm making this video. They might cut this whole tree down, I guess. Here comes another branch. I will catch this falling branch on camera again. There's some people cutting some branches over there with a chainsaw. And they're gonna cut this whole tree down very soon. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. If you like this video. And comment if you love it or like it too. They're still cutting some tree branches over there. There's some people over there watching them cut the tree down. There's some people jumping on a trampoline over there. Here comes another one. Guess they're cutting the logs of the tree down right now. I like when they cut down trees because they fall, and it's crazy. Because if the trees fall, they go kaboom. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There goes the tree branch, the log of the tree. Right now, they're cutting it. That person over there is cutting it in the orange shirt. We're gonna get a closer look so you guys can see. Oh, now they're gonna cut this big, giant, large branch right here. Okay, here it goes. They're cutting it. This is gonna be crazy. Gonna fall down. Climbing up the tree so they can cut it better. This is a very cool tree cutting video. My last video was 2 days ago about Hurricane Delta knocking down some trees and snapping them and uprooted trees next to the road, like on the freeway or highway. Oh, they're cutting this big one. They're cutting this big one. Here it goes. Okay. They're cutting it. I gave it a closer look. Even more closer look. So you guys can see. And cut the tree down. They're about to cut this big branch right here. They're about to. Hey, here comes the branch. Gonna fall soon. Branch is gonna fall soon. Very soon. That big branch right there is gonna fall. Hey, they're gonna cut the top soon. Top branch soon. This big one right here soon. And that person right there, or that big truck way over there, is picking up the branches that fell and put it in that big pile way right there, or way over there. Hey, they're about to cut this big one right here. We're gonna cut it in just a few minutes. 5 or 10 minutes, they'll cut it. They're about to cut this big one right here. They're about to. And they get a closer look. So you guys can see them cut the big tree down and branch down. And I get an even closer look. So you can see even better. They're gonna cut the big one. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. They're gonna cut this big one. They're gonna cut this big one. Guys, you have to watch this video because this tree branch is gonna fall. And you're not gonna believe it. This tree branch will be insane if it falls. Let's just see what happens when the tree branch falls. Let's just see what happens. Hope I catch this on camera again. This giant tree branch falling. Oh my gosh. It's literally about to fall. literally about to fall. It's literally about to fall. Big branch is about to fall. It's gonna fall very soon, or in a few minutes. It will fall down. This giant large tree branch right here. What?
I think that like rope is gonna help hold the tree in some direction.
Oh. Alright. Here it comes. The branch. You just have to wait for a few more minutes until it falls, or they cut it down. The giant large tree branch. Getting pretty windy out here. Hey, now they're cutting it. They're cutting the tree branch again. Here it comes! Woohoo! The person said hello. Now they just have that big, giant, tall, skinny tree branch that they're going to cut. We're about to end the video. We're gonna cut this branch soon. They're cutting this whole tree down because during a hurricane it might fall on that house right there. And the people right over there don't want it to fall on their house. So that's why they're cutting the tree down. They only had that big skinny part right there. The tree branch. Hey, here comes the tree branch. Sorry guys, you can't see as well because of the bright sunlight out here. Hey, I caught that big giant tree branch falling on camera. Here comes another one falling down. We're gonna cut this big one. And here it comes, they're cutting the branch. This big, tall, skinny one. Oh, here it comes! Dad, it hit the light pole. The light pole's shaking right now. That was crazy. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the tree cutting video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.